Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the rear reflector on your Ford Fiesta. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and your brand new replacement reflector. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. Then, locate the rear reflector on the bumper, typically one on each side. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for you. Now, let's remove the old reflector. Using your plastic trim removal tool, gently pry around the edges of the existing reflector. Work slowly and apply consistent, light pressure to avoid scratching or damaging the surrounding bumper paint. If your reflector has integrated lights, carefully disconnect any electrical wiring before fully removing the old unit. This step requires a bit of patience. With the old reflector removed, it's time for the new one. First, thoroughly clean the mounting area on the bumper to ensure a perfect fit and proper adhesion. If your new reflector has integrated lights, connect the electrical wiring securely. Carefully align the new reflector with the opening in the bumper, then press it firmly and evenly into place until it clicks or seats securely. You're almost done. Perform a final check to ensure the new reflector is securely seated and perfectly flush with the bumper. If your reflector includes lights, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm they are functioning correctly. Finally, remember to dispose of the old reflector responsibly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Ford Fiesta's rear reflector, enhancing both safety and appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.